I am also very pleasantly surprised by Jacom's invitation. I was coming to meet him on some other matter, and maybe he has not told you, but he's also on his way to Mombasa. Mnaona vile amevaa? Ako safarini. Tukasema tuonane kabla hajaenda. Ni kama wako na mpango mwingine huko na ndugu yake yako huko chini. Tulikuwa na yeye jana Kandara. What we saw, the excitement of the local people, and what he's taken you through memory. I want to tell him, we are the people, Jacob, who did all that mess, you know, and we are the same people who are going to undo it. Amuna mnagani? Na vile nimeona nyinyi wengine ni kama part of the university student leadership. Yeah, I was the chairman of Murang'a University students when we were at the university. Wakati huo sisi tulikuwa wabaya, hata kulikuwa majaribio 1982 ya kupindua serikali. Tukashikwa na nyayo, tukafungwa, tukakaa miaka mingi tunasumbuana. But the most important thing that has happened is when Jacob and His Excellency the President shook hands. Because they walked back that memory lane, agreed where the rains started beating this country, and agreed the way forward. And once they agreed that, and have been working on that, sisi wenyewe sasa tunaitwa part of the handshake team. Tunaelewana? Kwa hivyo msione Jacob hapa kama hapo peke yake. Bahali mnaona Jacob, mnaona rais, because we are there. Hapo ndio sisi tupo. Niliongea na sitaongea tena, nikaambia watu prepare for Jacob to be the 5th president. Na wale wana macho wanaona. Ama hamuoni?
Tunaona.
Dalili ya mvua ni nini? Si ni mawingu. My friend Kamau knows, tumesafiri hii safari. Na saa ingine mimi napigwa sana. They call me the face of impunity in Jubilee. But like I am telling you, there will be new formations going forward. Kutoka jana, NASA imekwisha. You know that? Yes. Because when 3 parties get out, that coalition is finished. Yeah. And it's now time for us now to come together and form the new coalition. And we are going to work together. And let me remind you, some of you may be young people, whenever our people work with the people of Nyanza, we always win. I'm doing namna hiyo. Tangu independence, when we work together, we won. In multi-party, when we work together, we won. When in 2002, isipokuwa sisi tulikuwa na uhuru, wakati walishikana na Kibaki akasema Kibaki tosha, they won. Okay? Hata hii inakuja. Tukishikana Mount Kenya na Nyanza, Western, and the rest of the country, we shall win. Yes. Because part of the president's legacy is to leave behind a united country. Akienda nyumbani awache hii nchi imekuja pamoja. That for him, unity, for posterity, and for prosperity. And the enabler is Jacob here. Kama Jacob had shake hands, hii dunia ingekuwa namna gani? Singekuwa moto sana. Na ndio nawaambia jana, he didn't tell you yesterday, and I heard you talking about investments. He had a very important function of connecting. It's called Investera, connecting ideas and startups, yeah, to money, to investors. So all these ideas you're bringing together, he has a plan. If you look at the work that this government is doing, President Uhuru, for the first time we are on 75% rural electrification. It means you can have artisans, you can have people doing welding in the villages, anachomea madirisha. Si kila mtu siku hizi anajaribu kujenga kanyumba ya mawe. Si inahitaji welders nini? Sio hiyo mambo ya mkokoteni, my friend. So the infrastructure, and remember he is a high commissioner for infrastructure in Africa, is important. So that once you empower the people have brains. We don't want that handout culture. You want to be able to use your energy and your capacity and your ideas to generate work for yourself and create work for others, because unemployment is the biggest problem facing the youth. And what I told you about BBI, there's a 7-year tax holiday. People will be linked to these providers and the banks are happy to work with us. Equity Bank and other banks. And then you have a 7-year tax holiday to do those things. Kweli wewe utaka unangojea mtu akuletee handout? Si uko na akili zako. And that is why we support Jacob, because BBI, which he supported at very great cost to some of his backyards and bedrock of support, has a lot for Mount Kenya. You guys, have you read it?
Yes.
One man,
one vote,
one shilling.
Yes.
One man, one vote. And that equalizes everybody, so that no matter what other leadership comes in the future, your share is guaranteed. Because I don't think you people have an idea of what this country went during the 24 years of Nyaya. It is only after the NAC victory that the trajectory changed from minus growth to around 7%. Si mnajua hiyo? Sasa yule ambayo tunaletewa, huyo is Moi times 10. Unajua hiyo factor ya mara 10? Na watu hapa wataumia. Atatufinya, that is a great word. Now let me tell you people, me, my prayer, and that is why I'm here, and I know the president is here. We are determined that that kind of leadership does not for us, as we can take care of ourselves, it's for you people, and for our children, and for our grandchildren. That if this country ever gets into the hands of that group, museme kwaheri for this country, yeah? Because they don't think about you people. It is grabiosis. Si mnaijua hiyo? Ni kama ni kaugonjwa. If Jacob wanted to grab things, see, he has been there since this country in 1963. Mbona mtu anakuja juzi, he wants to be, I don't know, na hatosheki. Unajua unaweza kupata yako kidogo na utosheki. Lakini hawa wanaendelea tu kupora. Sasa wakati rais alifunga, akakuwa adui. Because he was given a latitude between 2013 and 2017 to try and implement some of those things that he's talking about. Instead, alienda kupora. Sawa? Sasa anaulizwa, you have been deputy president for 9 years. All right? These things mnatuambia mnafanya ukipata. Kwa nini usifanye? Ni kitu gani inazuia See, they can implement those things now when they are in power. Correct? So don't tell us what you will do when you get in power, when you're already in power. And because we have come a long way, and Jacob has told you, this game, where it is now, we have to deal with both scenarios. With BBI or without BBI. Sasa kama haitakuwa BBI imeingia, mjipange vile tunaingiza Jacob, akuwe nani? Rais under the current constitution. Kwa sababu yeye tuna hakika akiipata tutafanya hiyo BBI. Are we together? Yes. We are still working. It's a work in progress to make sure the BBI happens before the next general election. That is the ideal situation. But just in case it doesn't happen, tuweke mikakati going under the current ya kuingiza Jacob wapi? Kuwache hiyo unasema 30%, my friend. If you guys, and I know you have the capacity, mkikubali twende ground, there is nobody who has a problem with Raila in Mount Kenya. Hii kelele inapigwa hapa ni hii takatanga hapa juu. Ati hawezi kuuza Raila wapi? Mount Kenya. Mwana Jacob. Of all the 9 MPs, watatu tu ndio wako Tanzania. Si mnawajua? Ndindi Nyoro, Alex Wahome, na Kang'ata.
Na Kang'ata lakini hata kisha karibu.
Kang'ata karudi bali hii. It's only 2. All the others are with Jacob. In the year is only regarding. Kachagua. Hapa ni Ichung'wa. Okay? Moses Kuria wewe unamjua. Moses anaongea na wale mchana, alafu usiku anaenda kwa Jacob. Hata jana ameplead sana na mimi. Kamwambia wewe hiyo ukora yako acha. But let me assure you people. We stay the course. Na kama mmekuja hapa kumwahidi Jacob support yenu, sisi tuko tayari kufanya kazi na nyinyi. Kila mtu constituency yake, mtoe programs kama Jubilee sasa, we are rolling out and we're going to have town hall meetings, we're going to have grassroots elections, we're going to have structures on the ground because we want that party to come into coalition with ODM. Yes. ODM structures zao ziko tayari. Sasa tunaenda kufanya ya Jubilee. Our job ilikuwa kufukuza hawa watu kutoka Jubilee. Sio tumemaliza? Si wametoka? Wameenda UDA. Now our next job ni kuwafukuza kutoka Mount Kenya. Hiyo mtaweza? Twende kazi hiyo. Asanteni sana.